Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another video and we're going to be talking about the May Niche Idea series. Okay, so I'm doing the monthly niche idea series and this time we're talking about May. So I chose 3 different holidays or just things that I feel like you should be designing for in May. Is not a must, but I just wanted to give some ideas and show you interiors, journal covers, and a t-shirt design. So we're gonna go put these in the wheel, spin the wheel, and design for each one. I hope you guys are subscribing, watching my channel, and learning something. I love to read your comments in the comment section when they're nice. When they're not, I ignore them. So if you're nice to me, I'm nice to you. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. So we have Mother's Day, summer, and bucket list. Let's click to spin. All right, what's it gonna be? Oh, bucket list. Yay! So for bucket list, I wanna do an interior. So let me go on over to Canva and get this started. All right, so I have an interior and I feel like I wanna go to Etsy. Let's see. And let's see, bucket list interior. So I want to get some ideas, like what I kind of have some, but I just want to see what other people do. So it's a monthly planner. So maybe I want to do like a checklist. Let's see. Let's look. So checklist. See if I can find one that's interesting. Ooh, this could be fun. So we're gonna just go ahead and revamp this. I'm gonna put it at 50%, maybe 75. So we can always change. Oh, and it's already purple. My bucket list. Okay, so change this. So I'm gonna do my bucket list. So, well, actually, I don't want to do my bucket list. I want to give them an option to write it in. Choose one extreme thing that you want to accomplish or do in the next year. Write about what that day will look like and use the blank box to write out the event. So I'll give them room to write it here. So say this is my bucket list. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this up. I'm going to move these up. And delete some of this stuff. Now it looks like, oh. Looks like it could get more room. So I'm just kind of like taking the boxes and making them a little bit bigger. And moving them down. And then deleting what I don't need. So I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger too. Take all of that, move it down just a tad. And same with this one. Okay. So I'm gonna copy and paste this because we're gonna go from a year and then we're gonna do let's do 180 days in the next 180 days. Then the next one will be 90 days. And then we'll do 30 days. So then it'll kind of be spaced out, but they can start from the bottom up, because by doing these small bucket list things, they can achieve that biggest goal. Okay, so like that's what it seems like. So maybe my 30-day goal is to ride a horse, and then my 90-day goal is to take a vacation alone. And then maybe my next one is to fly overseas with my family. And then the last one, my favorite, I've been wanting to do this forever, so it's kind of looking like my own bucket list for real, would be to go on a hot air balloon. So I just wanted to make sure you guys know what I'm expecting them to create with their bucket list. But note that everything will be blank, but this part. So this won't be blank, but it'll give them the option to write what it looks like in the blank box, and then they can write their goal here, and then they'll be able to check it off. So this would be like what the bucket list looks like. So I think that's a really unique design. So it would be something that I would be interested in having for myself, because I know we all create a bucket list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let's see, there's probably some bucket list journals on Amazon. So yeah, there's a few. Our bucket list, my bucket list. Now, I don't know if a lot of them have interiors, so that'll be the one thing you would have to, do the research on to see. And then create your own, okay? So again, like I said, I hope this was helpful for the bucket list niche research for the month of May. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.